Welcome to Silver Vitality Vault, your trusted resource for reclaiming the strength and clarity of your golden years through the power of nature and science. Did you know that every single day, nearly 250 seniors begin the heartbreaking journey of losing their eyesight? Perhaps the most tragic part is that many of them never see it coming until the world has already turned into a blur. You might wake up with dry, irritated eyes or find yourself squinting at a dinner menu, telling yourself it is just a normal part of getting older. That, my friends, is a dangerous misconception, a lie that the $56 billion vision industry wants you to believe. They profit immensely when your eyes remain weak, funneling you toward overpriced drugs, temporary supplements, and invasive surgeries that often fail to address the root cause of the problem. The real enemy isn't just age. It is a hidden process of nighttime ocular degradation that steals your sight while you are asleep. But tonight, here at Silver Vitality Vault, we are revealing the truth that has been buried in academic journals. There are specific fruits containing rare biocompounds that your eyes desperately crave during the hours of darkness. According to a 2023 study published in Ophthalmology Reports, these fruits can actually trigger the regeneration of damaged photoreceptors, repair oxygen-starved retinal tissues, and even reverse early-stage vision loss by as much as 33% in just 6 short weeks. In this deep dive presentation, we will reveal 7 powerful bedtime fruits, ranked from helpful to life-changing, that initiate overnight ocular repair naturally and safely. Our number 1 fruit contains a rare compound capable of delaying cataract formation by up to 41%, and chances are, you have been throwing the most medicinal part of it away. Before we dive into the countdown, please tell us in the comments, what is your age and where in the world are you watching us from? Have you noticed your vision changing or becoming fuzzier lately? We read and respond to every single member of the Silver Vitality Vault community with personalized advice, so join the conversation below. Now let us begin our journey with number 7. Number 7, the retinal regenerator. Kiwi. It may look small and fuzzy on the outside, but the kiwi is a powerhouse of ocular restoration when consumed right before you drift off to sleep. The primary problem this fruit addresses is oxidative damage to the retina, the complex camera film at the back of your eye that translates light into the images your brain understands. As we enter our 60s and 70s, our retinal cells become increasingly fragile, succumbing to the stress of free radicals that accumulate throughout the day. Kiwi is exceptionally rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 specific carotenoids that act as internal sunglasses. These pigments migrate directly to the retina, where they filter out harmful blue light and create a protective barrier for your photoreceptors. However, the true secret of the kiwi lies in its unique combination of antioxidants and serotonin. A 2022 study in the Journal of Nutrition and Healthy Aging found that seniors who consumed 2 kiwis an hour before bed experienced a 19% improvement in the sharpness of their night vision and woke up with significantly less redness and irritation. The Silver Vitality Vault strategy: to maximize the healing effect, you should look specifically for golden kiwis rather than the standard green variety. Golden kiwis contain significantly higher concentrations of lutein and are less acidic, making them much gentler on your digestive system late at night. Here is a critical tip: do not peel them aggressively. The thin layer of flesh immediately beneath the skin is packed with caffeic acid, a potent antioxidant that is lost if you slice too deeply. Instead, use a spoon to scoop the fruit out gently, leaving only the paper-thin skin behind. Eat 2 medium-sized ripe kiwis exactly 60 minutes before bed to ensure the nutrients are circulating as you enter your first repair cycle. Number 6, the vascular hydrator. Watermelon. Number 6 is a fruit that most people only think of as a refreshing summer snack, but for a senior, watermelon is a vision-saving elixir. The issue it solves is one that is almost never discussed in doctors' offices: retinal dehydration. As you sleep, your eyes naturally lose moisture. This is exacerbated if you live in a dry climate, use a CPAP machine, take diuretics, or breathe through your mouth. This leads to that dreaded morning blur and eyes that feel like they are filled with sand. Watermelon is more than 90% structured water, but its real power comes from lycopene. This bright red antioxidant is stored in your ocular tissues and works to repair damage caused by UV exposure. Furthermore, it enhances circulation in the choroid layer, the vital network of blood vessels that provides oxygen to your retina. A 2021 study revealed that adults over 60 who ate 2 cups of watermelon daily saw a 22% increase in ocular blood flow, effectively preventing the thinning of the retina. The Silver Vitality Vault strategy. Enjoy 1 to 2 cups of chilled watermelon cubes about 30 minutes before bed. However, you must avoid the common mistake of adding salt, as sodium can spike intraocular pressure and increase the risk of glaucoma. Here is a secret from the Silver Vitality Vault. Do not discard the white part of the rind. This pale area contains the highest concentration of citrulline, a compound that dilates blood vessels, allowing more oxygen-rich blood to reach the back of your eyes. Small changes like this can make the difference between a blurry morning and waking up with refreshed, hydrated sight. Number 5. The Dark Adaptation Miracle. Black currants. Often overlooked in many parts of the world, black currants are the secret weapon of the Silver Vitality Vault for anyone dealing with floaters, light sensitivity, or early-stage macular degeneration. This fruit specifically targets retinal microinflammation, a low-grade chronic swelling that makes the edges of your vision feel fuzzy and reduces your ability to see contrast. Black currants are loaded with anthocyanins, dark purple pigments that strengthen the tiny capillaries in your eyes and accelerate the regeneration of rhodopsin. Rhodopsin is the pigment your eyes use to see in the dark. In a 2020 trial, seniors who utilized blackcurrant extract experienced a 35% improvement in their dark adaptation speed, meaning their eyes adjusted much faster when moving from a bright room to a dark one. The Silver Vitality Vault strategy. If you can find them fresh, eat half a cup before bed, preferably blended with a small spoonful of Greek yogurt to help the fats transport the nutrients. If they aren't available at your local market, a high-quality freeze-dried blackcurrant powder is an excellent alternative. Stir 1 teaspoon into a small glass of warm water or a sleep smoothie. Crucially, never mix black currants with citrus fruits at night. The high acidity of citrus interferes with the absorption of the anthocyanins, effectively neutralizing the vision-repairing benefits. Number 4. The Optic Nerve Protector. Wild blueberries. Blueberries are a staple in many diets, but 99% of people are eating them in a way that provides zero benefit to their eyes. The main issue blueberries can rectify is the breakdown of oxidative photoreceptors, the slow, silent process that erodes your ability to focus on fine details. As we age, our levels of glutathione, the body's master antioxidant, drop, leaving our eyes vulnerable to decades of accumulated light damage. Blueberries contain a rare compound called pterostilbene. This is a cousin of resveratrol, but is much more bioavailable, meaning your body can actually use it. It is one of the few compounds capable of crossing the blood-retinal barrier to reduce DNA damage in your light-sensitive cells. A 2023 study found that wild blueberries improved visual acuity scores by 32% in just 12 weeks. The Silver Vitality Vault strategy. Stop buying the large, watery, cultivated blueberries found in plastic clamshells. These are often nutrient deficient. To get the results we discuss here at Silver Vitality Vault, you must choose wild blueberries. They are smaller, darker, and contain double the antioxidant density. Eat about 1/3 of a cup 45 minutes before bed. Do not eat them with dairy, as the protein called casein binds to the antioxidants and prevents them from entering your bloodstream. A professional tip: freeze your blueberries slightly before eating. The freezing and thawing process breaks down the tough cell walls of the berry, making the antioxidants much more accessible to your body overnight. Number 3. The Oxygen Booster, Dragon Fruit. At number 3, we have the exotic dragon fruit. This fruit is a game changer for seniors because it addresses retinal hypoxia, a dangerous shortage of oxygen in the eye tissues. This lack of oxygen is what makes your eyes feel perpetually tired and leads to the loss of peripheral vision. The red-fleshed variety of dragon fruit is rich in beta-cyanins. These rare antioxidants stimulate the production of nitric oxide, which widens the microcapillaries in the eye. This allows a surge of oxygen and nutrients to reach damaged areas while you are in the REM stage of sleep, the time when your body's healing energy is at its peak. The Silver Vitality Vault strategy. Look for the deep magenta or red-fleshed variety, as the white-fleshed version has significantly fewer beta-cyanins. Eat half of a fruit about 60 to 90 minutes before bed. If the taste is too mild, add a tiny drizzle of raw honey and a few drops of lime juice to activate the fruit's enzymes. Most importantly, chew the tiny black seeds thoroughly. These seeds contain the omega-3 fatty acids and magnesium necessary for repairing the retinal nerves. Most people swallow them whole, but at Silver Vitality Vault, we want you to unlock every bit of medicine this fruit offers. Number 2. The Ancient Eye Healer, goji berries. Number 2 on our list is a legendary fruit used in ancient medicine for over 2,000 years, the goji berry. Modern science has finally confirmed what the ancients knew. Goji berries are perhaps the most effective tool we have for fighting macular thinning. The macula is the center of your retina, responsible for your ability to read, recognize faces, and see vibrant colors. Goji berries are the richest known source of zeaxanthin. While lutein protects the edges of your vision, zeaxanthin guards the center. A 2021 study showed that seniors who ate goji berries for 90 days saw a significant increase in their macular pigment density. And remarkably, none of the participants showed any further progression of vision loss during the study. The Silver Vitality Vault strategy. Do not eat them dry like raisins. Instead, soak 2 tablespoons of dried goji berries in warm water for 10 minutes. This reactivates the enzymes and makes the pigments much easier for your aging digestive system to absorb. Eat them 30 minutes before bed. For an extra boost, pair them with a small square of 85% dark chocolate. The flavonoids in the cocoa create a synergy with the zeaxanthin that enhances the overnight repair process. You will soon notice that colors appear brighter and the haze over your vision begins to lift. Number 1. The glycation breaker, papaya. Finally, we reach our number 1 spot, the humble papaya. When eaten at the correct time, papaya becomes the ultimate fruit for total ocular repair. It tackles a process called glycation, one of the most destructive forces behind blurry vision and cataracts. Glycation occurs when excess sugar in your blood binds to the proteins in your eyes, creating sticky advanced glycation end products, AGEs, that cloud your lenses and damage your retina. Papaya contains a unique enzyme called papain, which helps break down these sticky glycation products. It also provides a perfect ratio of vitamins A, C, and E. A 2023 study found that seniors who ate papaya at night had lower glycation markers and significantly improved tear film stability within just 6 weeks. The Silver Vitality Vault strategy. Eat 1 cup of ripe room temperature papaya cubes 1 hour before bed. It is vital that the papaya is not cold. Refrigeration suppresses the papain enzymes. Drizzle it with a bit of fresh lime juice to boost the absorption of the vitamin A. Avoid eating it after a heavy, protein-rich meal, as your body will use the enzymes for digestion rather than for repairing your eyes. This single habit can stabilize your prescription and slow down the formation of cataracts while you sleep. The 5 essential rules for overnight eye repair. Knowing which fruits to eat is only half the battle. To ensure you aren't wasting your time, you must follow these 5 Silver Vitality Vault rules. Rule 5. Avoid calcium interference. Never eat these fruits within 90 minutes of consuming dairy or calcium-rich foods. Calcium can bind to the delicate pigments in the fruit, preventing them from reaching your eyes. If you have a glass of milk or yogurt for dinner, wait at least an hour and a half before your fruit snack. Rule 4. The Fat Carrier Rule. Lutein and zeaxanthin are fat-soluble. This means your body cannot absorb them without a small amount of healthy fat. When eating your nightly fruit, have a few walnuts or a teaspoon of flaxseed oil alongside it. This acts as a delivery truck, carrying the nutrients directly to your retina. Rule 3. Wash, don't scrub. Many of the most powerful antioxidants live in the skin of fruits like blueberries and black currants. If you scrub them too hard or use harsh fruit washes, you can strip away 40% of the medicine. Rinse them gently in cool water and pat them dry right before you eat them. Rule 2. Room temperature only. Your body's digestive tract needs to be relaxed to absorb ocular nutrients. Cold fruit shocks the system and slows down enzyme activity. Take your fruit out of the fridge at least 30 to 60 minutes before you plan to eat it. Rule 1. the golden window. Timing is everything. You must eat your fruit 60 to 90 minutes before your head hits the pillow. Your body's self-cleaning process for the eyes peaks during deep sleep. If you eat too late, your body is focused on digestion. If you eat too early, the nutrients are flushed out before the repair begins. The Silver Vitality Vault Promise. Your eyesight is your most precious window to the world. It is the way you see the faces of your grandchildren and the beauty of the world around you. Don't let hidden nighttime damage rob you of those moments. By choosing the right fruits and following the Silver Vitality Vault protocols, you are taking a stand for your independence and your health. Imagine waking up in a few weeks and realizing you no longer need to squint at the morning paper. Imagine the confidence of driving at night without fear. This isn't just a dream. It is what happens when you give your body the tools it needs to heal itself. Now, we want to hear from you. If your vision suddenly became 30% clearer tomorrow, what is the very first thing you would want to look at? Have you tried any of these fruits before? We are standing by to read your comments and offer personalized advice. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to Silver Vitality Vault, and share this with someone you love who deserves to see the world clearly again. Thank you for watching, and remember, your vitality is your greatest vault. Protect it. We will see you in the next video.